my name is Greg Beninati, and I really wanted to have this podcast because I wanted to give Dr. Lamb a lot of credit. I've been thinking about getting a hair transplant for probably 12 to 15 years, and just not for sure where I wanted to go. And I've done a lot of research with Dr. Lamb. He's in Plano, Texas, and I'm just really happy with what he's done for me. He explained everything thoroughly. He made me feel comfortable. Him and his staff, everybody here was very positive, very professional, very cautious with the COVID and everything. And right now, when I'm talking to you, it's the day after surgery, and I feel great. I haven't taken any kind of pain medicine, and I just really feel good, and I can't wait to get back on here in maybe 6 months from now to show you the results that I've had from him. So if you're kind of hesitant to do it, because if it's going to make you feel better in life, do it. But again, thanks again, Dr. Lamb and his staff.